Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. I'm back, of course, from London, but I spent a week programming with my buddy, my programmer. We love him, Tony. Tony from New York, thank you so much for helping. We were working on OMNI AI for the last 5, 6, 7 days in a row, maybe 10 days in a row. And I'm doing some practicing with it tonight. So I thought I'd bring you a short video so it doesn't interfere with too much of my studies with the new OMNI AI. Don't worry, OMNI won't change it all. It'll just make things better. So this video is being brought to you on a Tuesday afternoon for trading, Tuesday night through Wednesday, and that would be December 4th, 2024. This is video number 2834, traders. Please remember the risks involved in trading. Never ever trade without stops. Put those stops in first before you ever enter into any trading positions. All right, so what do we got? Nasdaq daily bar. We had this amazing top, up, up, up. Market comes down, does all kinds of work. Up, 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 and creates, boom, boom, a double top. Let's darken it in. So it creates this double top. Once the double top is made, the market goes down, spends a few weeks, and comes back up. So what do we have? In my opinion, we have another double top. Is this another double top forming right here? Well, you can look at it that way or call it a triple top. Any of those two things usually are some kind of a stall for day traders, at least for one day, if not longer. So when we see a double top, we sell a double top or we do nothing. Just so happens I've got sell signals in some of my indices, like we did on Tuesday morning. We got short Nasdaq at the highs. It dropped. We got out. Excuse me. We got short Russell 2000 at the highs. It dropped. We got out. Then take us back to Monday, the first day this week. We bought Nasdaq on the lows. It went up a couple hundred points. Viva la Omni. So Monday, great trade. Tuesday, great trade. I'm looking for another great trade on Wednesday. Looks like there's a possible another double top or maybe a triple top in Nasdaq. Russell 2000's got a down signal. Transportation average has a down signal. We'll see. We're probably going to start with selling the rallies if we do anything, if we can get a fill for trading on Wednesday. So I just wanted to show that to you, traders, and I wanted to remind you of something. I'm doing a live webinar on Monday. Today is Wednesday if you're watching this video on Wednesday. It could be Tuesday night if you're watching it on Tuesday night. The weekend's going to come, and then on Monday, I am doing a live webinar. We'll go over some great charts. We'll look at what we could possibly grab for the Santa Claus rally. How are our portfolio of stocks doing? We'll go over some great stuff. The link is right below this video. Go down there now, click the link below, and register for Monday's free webinar. Quick question out there. How many of you are still long Bitcoin? We know we hit our year-end Bitcoin target. Where do you think Bitcoin will go from here? Up or down this week by Friday? Leave your answers below. If you think it's going up, leave me an A. If you think it's going down, leave a B, or just tell me what you think. We'll tally it up. I'll put Bitcoin in tomorrow night's video. So below this video, leave your comments. Bitcoin going up A, Bitcoin going down B, or just leave your direction. And don't forget to sign up for my webinar. I will teach you some great stuff, and we'll find some great charts to go over together, which will help us for the rest of the month. Thank you so much for tuning in. And remember, kids, stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you so much for tuning in, traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.